Mr. President, we are a peace-loving nation and have never interfered in other states' internal affairs. Despite Serbia's aggression and continuous hybrid threats against our institutions and society, Kosovo remains ready to normalize interstate and neighborly relations. However, the obstacle to peace and normalization of relations remains Serbia, which is neither interested in normalizing relations with Kosovo nor joining the EU. They are trying to deny our region the much-needed stability, prosperity, and full integration into the Euro-Atlantic structures. We call on Serbia to come to terms with reality and recognize Kosovo as a sovereign and independent state, and end holding its society and entire region hostage to aspirations of regaining regional hegemony. In particular, the report insufficiently covers the case of the armed and terrorist attacks in Banjska in September 2023, which remains a great concern for us. The Republic of Kosovo, like the EU and NATO, has continuously called for the establishment of accountability over the past 3 years. Belgrade has ordered, trained, and now protects the main perpetrators of this terrorism and aggression, including Milan Radojcic, who at the time of the attacks was vice president of the Belgrade-backed Serbian list in Kosovo. We cannot trust Serbia, and we cannot expect to normalize relations without clear accountability and assurances of non-aggression. However, the inclusion of an extensive annex on the Kosovo Specialist Chambers and the Specialist Prosecutor's Office constitutes a mischaracterization of their legal nature and an overextension of unmixed reporting authority. The Specialist Chambers are not a creation of Resolution 1244. They were not established by the Council, do not derive authority from it, and do not fall within unmixed mandate. The Specialist Chambers were established through a constitutional amendment adopted by the Parliament of Kosovo. Their legal foundation derives from a bilateral exchange of letters between Kosovo and the European Union. They are a product of Kosovo's sovereign legal order, created through democratic legislative processes and supported through partnership with the European Union. The Specialist Chambers should report to the Parliament of Kosovo. Likewise, the presence of EULEX is based on agreements with Kosovo institutions and must be understood within that framework. Ongoing efforts to present Kosovo institutions within a status neutral or UN-derived framework are unacceptable. Mr. President, let me conclude by sharing our long-standing view, shared also by many Council members here, that unmixed mandate is completed and that United Nations resources and staff would be better used elsewhere to address other pressing crises and conflicts. Kosovo is now an independent, sovereign and democratic state that has achieved normalcy and functionality, a sufficient benchmark for UNMIK to exist.